Follow her on Insta, right there.
Today we will be learning how to do motion track titles. First, add the RN Instagram title to your video, then place it where it needs to go. Next, click on the transform button in the lower left-hand corner of the canvas. Then move the title down to where it goes. Once you're finished, click done. Now change the tag name to the subject's name. Then select the transform button again and move your title every 2 frames. Add in your pre-recorded Instagram video and then add your pop sound effect. After you add the sound effect, crop it down and place it to where it needs to be. Select the Instagram clip and then add and adjust keyframe so it pops out of the Instagram title. Your scale on the first keyframe needs to be at 0. Then add another keyframe and drag the Instagram video to where you want it to end with the scale at 100. Trim off the excess video and add a tint filter on your Instagram tag. Select the tag title and edit the tint and add a new keyframe for the beginning color, then put the amount at 0. When the subject clicks on it, make sure the amount is at 100 and add your last keyframe. Then you're done. Enjoy your new skill!